Okay, so today's question comes from Ahmed Akbar on YouTube, and they're saying they've applied to Merch by Amazon twice and been rejected. What's the best way to fill out an application form? So, thank you for watching Starting Up, all about sharing tips for selling online. Videos like this every day answering your questions, so make sure to get your questions in the comments box below. But how can you fill in your application form and guarantee you're going to be accepted onto Merch by Amazon? So there are two things I understand you can do to increase your chances of being accepted. It's never guaranteed that you're going to get accepted, but you can always increase your chances of being accepted. I have never been rejected, so I can't really talk from experience here, but I'm talking from what I've heard from people in my Merch by Amazon group, on YouTube videos that I watch, etc. So first off, you want to basically make yourself sound like a really enthusiastic, dedicated seller. So you want to be telling Amazon, like making it apparent to Amazon that you're going to be uploading designs all the time, you're going to be really taking the platform seriously, experimenting, like testing designs and seeing if they do work, don't work, learning from your mistakes, and basically doing what it takes to make your account a success. So if you can like hint at some previous sales experience from a job or from a different online store you've run and bring that into it, basically telling Amazon or making Amazon assured that you're going to be a success once you've been accepted, that's going to help your application. So really strengthen your application by making it seem like there's no way you're going to fail with this. You've got a lot of experience, you're really driven, and you're going to make your account a success. Secondly, you want to basically suggest or link or make Amazon believe that you have a creative background, that you are a graphic designer, that you know how to design, make designs that are going to sell, that you've got a talented skill set of designing. Like Amazon, from what I can deem, are more likely to hire people or to accept them to the program if they know that they have got design skills themselves. So, you know, you want to maybe talk about previous design work you've done in the past, maybe link them to a design portfolio on Behance or any other website, a portfolio of like drawings, illustrations, that sort of stuff. If you've sold t-shirts before and you've designed t-shirts, tell them about that. But make Amazon believe that you have a creative flair. As well as being driven to make your account succeed, also let them know that you're creative, you've got design skills, and you're going to bring those two things together to make your account succeed. Now, those are the 2 pointers that I always tell people when they're applying for Merch by Amazon. The guys over at the Mickelson twins have actually got a script word for word that their friends use, and it got them accepted onto Merch by Amazon. And if you watch the video that I link you to, their video, the Mickelson twins video, you can see that script, copy and paste it exactly and put it in your application. And from what I understand to believe is that if you use this script from what they say in their video, you're going to be accepted. So I'll link you to that video as an added bonus in the description below, and fingers crossed you get accepted. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you're answering, feel free to message me in the comments box below on startingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips for selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and also like and share this video. See ya.